This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
If you are in low in budget and no marketing experience and want to build your business, the very first thing would come into your mind is word of mouth. Now, till date, word of mouth has been a very effective traditional way of growing the business. Pinterest has actually started with the same methodology. Starting from their hometown, where Ben Silberman comes from, and people started using the app within the town, and then started increasing the word of mouth to other people, where people would use the same app and forward it to other people as well. Now, unable to find traction and grow its user base, Ben also used power users. That means power users